Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sam's Club account, manage membership, and orders step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or launch the Sam's Club app on your phone. Type samsclub.com in the address bar, or tap the Sam's Club app icon to open it. Look for the sign-in option at the top right on the website, or on the welcome screen in the app. Click or tap Sign In to open the login page. Enter the email address you used when you created your Sam's Club account. Enter your account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a personal device, enable the Remember Me option to stay signed in. If you are on a shared or public device, leave Remember Me turned off for safety. Click or tap the Sign In button to access your account. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password before signing in. Type your email address on the reset page and submit the request. Check your email inbox for the password reset message from Sam's Club. Open the email and click the reset link to create a new password. Return to the sign-in page and log in again with your updated password. After logging in, find Account or My Account in the menu to view your profile area. Select Membership to see your membership status, renewal date, and card details. Choose Manage Membership if you want to update payment, renewal settings, or personal information. To review purchases, go to Orders or Purchase History from the Account menu. Select Online Orders to see recent orders, delivery status, and tracking information. Click an order to open full details like items, totals, and shipping address. Use the Reorder option when available if you want to buy the same items again quickly. For in-club receipts, look for in-club purchases or club receipts if your account supports it. To manage pickup and delivery preferences, open Settings or Profile inside your account area. Update your address, phone number, and preferred club location so orders process correctly. If the site asks to verify your identity, complete the one-time code sent by email or text. If you see an error, confirm your email and password. Then try again after refreshing the page. If you still cannot sign in, contact Sam's Club customer service through the Help or Contact section. When finished, open the account menu and select Sign Out to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.